Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, last video I did a homemade ranch dressing slash dip. If you haven't checked that out, definitely check it out. I'll leave the link in the description box for you guys. And in that video, I asked you guys if you wanted to see my honey mustard dressing as well, and you guys said you did. So here we are. It is a short but sweet. Get it? Short like me, sweet like honey. No? Okay. So it's a short but sweet video. It's an amazing honey mustard, and I think you guys are going to really like it. So here's the list of ingredients you guys are going to need. Not very many at all. You're going to need some mayonnaise, some yellow mustard. You're going to need some Grey Poupon or some Dijon mustard. You're going to need, of course, your honey, some paprika, some salt, and then a half of a lemon. Or you guys can use lemon juice, your call. I always use fresh lemons if I have them on hand, and I do, so that's what I'm going to be using. Okay, so we're going to do a cup of mayonnaise. You'd think I would learn with the squeezy bottles, but I don't. And this is going to make a lot, okay guys? You can always cut the recipe in half if you want, but it'll stay in the refrigerator for a good, 2 weeks plus, if it lasts that long. I promise you guys are going to absolutely love this little recipe. So we're going to do 3 tablespoons of yellow mustard. We're going to do 1.5 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Or you guys can do a little bit more if you like it a little spicier. So that was 1.5. We're going to do 4 tablespoons of honey. Perfect. We're going to do just a pinch of salt, just to bring out all the flavors, and we're going to do a pinch of paprika, maybe 1/4 of a teaspoon, okay? And then we're going to do about a tablespoon of lemon. Perfect. Going to give this a nice little mix. And I'm going to taste it, make sure it is good with the seasoning. Look how pretty that is. It's really good, guys. And it'll thicken up in the refrigerator for you. You can use it as a dressing, or you guys can use it as a dip. It's really good. Perfect. So I'm going to taste it. Perfect, guys. This is so good. I am so excited about this little recipe. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. It's very good honey mustard. I think it's going to be your go-to actually from now on. And so simple, right? Alright, so I'm going to refrigerate this for a couple of hours before we use it. And that's it, guys. That's how quick and easy it is to make Rexy's homemade honey mustard. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I told you it's going to be short and sweet. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.